Good morning from me. So we're back from Florida and it was seriously so amazing. I love Destin, Florida. It's so beautiful. If you haven't been, the water is super clear and the sand is like really white. So if you haven't been there, definitely check it out or Google it. Also, I have to unpack all the suitcases still, and I started going through things around the house, so the house is already a mess. Like, it's so bad. So I actually have pest control coming around like 3 o'clock, so I need to get this house back into shape. But I'm going to start with some laundry because I have so many loads of laundry that I need to get done, and a bunch of blankets and comforters that I need to wash and put away. So I'm going to do that, and then I really need coffee, like really bad. So we're going to make a coffee. And Miss Dixie is living her best life. Are you having so much fun? And today's video is sponsored by TULA, so thank you TULA for sponsoring today's video. And I will be talking about the products later on in the video. So let's go ahead and get things done around my house before the pest guy gets here.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me one more, talking to you. Here we go again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more, talking to you and here we go again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one more. Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes.
So I got these little cleaning packet things from H-E-B, my local grocery store. And so I just did this a couple times and it was super satisfying.
Stop for us. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me.
Pour me another, I'm going in. So wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. No, it is way too late.
Hello. Never in a million years did I ever think I was gonna come on YouTube looking like this, but I will for TULA any day. I absolutely love this brand and I cannot tell you, when they reached out to me, I literally freaked out. So thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. Their whole thing is about being healthy and not perfect. So probiotics, superfoods, they have amazing face masks. What I have on right now. And with this one, as soon as you put it on, it starts tingling and you know something good is happening. So I love this. I've been using it. Let me open it up really quick. Oh no, see? You gotta be a little bit more careful than what I'm doing right here. I gotta wipe my hands off. I've already been using this one for a while and I'm obsessed with it. It's so good. And this is actually the first time I tried this spot treatment, and this probiotics and superfoods cleared up acne clearing and tone correcting gel. This is so good. It moisturizes my skin and I feel like it's protecting underneath my mask that I have to wear when I go out of the house. Like, I put this on underneath my mask and I don't break out. Let's wash my face. TULA products are cruelty-free and they never test on animals. TULA is a doctor-founded clean and effective skincare and wellness brand where 100% of the products are formulated with probiotics and superfoods. Probiotics are a powerful natural ingredient that helps restore the natural balance of your skin's microbiome, soothe and nourish your skin, and boost its appearance. You can actually go to TULA.com and use my code SimplyKayle to get 15% off your order. Thank you again, TULA, for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely love your product.
Anything, I will do anything to make you mine.
Alright, so now moving upstairs, I have to put away things from Florida and just pick up here and vacuum and whatnot. But we are actually going to Disney World in July. So if you don't know, I do have a second channel that I just started. I only have one video over there right now, so I'm editing a second one, but it's basically about like Disney World trips and stuff. So if you're interested in that, I will leave that link down below. It's super exciting, and you can also get to know me a little bit more because obviously I'm talking majority of the time.
Ooh, let's turn up the love. I've been dreaming about a life, a house, a dog, the whole shebang. I want you there right by my side, baby, please, to hold me tight throughout the night. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. Oh, hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Oh, yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, I keep my fingers crossed. Oh, yeah, it's on. Ooh, oh, ooh. Let's turn up the love. Let's turn up the love.
I know I messed up. Yeah, I know I did you wrong. But I learned my lesson. Now, what if we could move on? Remember the good days. I wish that we could go back. I know I'm not perfect, but at least give me a try. I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough, 'cause you're the best you
Alright, that is it for today's video. Pest guy was literally about to be at my house, so I was like rush. So I'm super glad that I got everything done. I'm really proud of myself. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up because it does help my channel. So thank you so much, and I will see you in next week's video.